Todd McFarlane outside the federal courthouse in downtown Portland, Oregon, commenting about the first day of the Oregon standoff trial. Opening statements started today. One of the best opening statements of the entire day was presented by Matt Schindler, attorney for Ken Medenbach. He did a great job laying out the whole public lands issue that is basically on trial here in this trial. This isn't, as it turns out, if you listen to those opening statements, this isn't just a trial about the acts of some of these individuals in terms of their alleged offenses at the Malheur National Wildlife Refuge. It goes to a lot deeper core issues in the West. And Matt Schindler explained how so many people in the West, in the rural areas, feel like, and he pointed to the evidence that will be presented, that they are actually being continually removed from the land, that rural people in the West, the people who produce products, whether it's agricultural products, beef, lamb, hay, timber, wood products to build homes, all of those things, as he explained, those people on the land are one of the biggest endangered species at this point in time. And if you look at what has happened over the course of the last 20 or 30 years, rural America is under attack. It's being threatened. There are a lot of people, and like Lisa Maxfield from Neil Wampler explained, she said, these urban areas were built on the backs of those people, on those basic productive industries. And now a lot of the people that live in urban America, they don't even think about rural America. They don't even think about where their food comes from or any of those productive enterprises, and they don't care a bit about those people. They're out of sight, out of mind, and rural people basically have no voice. And so that's one of the things that Matt Schindler said, that these defendants, they had tried to make their voices heard in other ways. They had filed petitions for redress of grievances. They had sought audiences with their various elected officials, in almost all cases on behalf of the Hammonds, and they got nowhere. So they were trying to figure out what they could do to finally make their voices heard, and the occupation became one of the things that they thought that they would try. So we'll be talking more about that as the trial develops.